So we're now in Bern, in Switzerland, and this Jasmine is the weather is hard.
Welcome to Switzerland. Finally, we made it.
Finally free.
And look at the church and this where yeah. So I think there's a lot of bikes here. There's a lot of bikes. They don't like bikes. They don't like bikes.
It's a bikeable city.
He gave me the ano eh. Ay, that's no. Bigyan niya ako ng ano.
So we're exploring where we will start exploring.
That's so inviting.
We will start exploring the city of Bern. Okay. Just walking on Bern, the capital city of Switzerland. And that Jasmine and Heidi walking in front of me. Just walking in the cobblestone of one of the famous streets in Bern. That's Jasmine and one of the statue fountains, and that's the clock tower. There are so many shops here. Gelato, anything. There's a lot of shops, but there's a lot of fountains. Water fountains. See? That's the famous clock tower. We are in the river R. R River. R River of Bern. Just relaxing in R River. Nice days to take a nap.
내 생각엔 그래도 너가 나는 거기서부터 잘못한 거야. 그냥 너는 이 방에 있고 걔를 내보냈어야 했어. 화장실하고. 근데 그냥 뭐 조금 뭐 내가 뭐.
So we are in Bern, and this is one of the parks, and there's a circus over there, and we're going to see the camel there.
Camelites.
Hi.
Bern, Switzerland,
Capital of
capital of Switzerland.
Switzerland.